Hello, this is Andrea. Today we're gonna review another toy.
Oh, what toy is
I
that?
received this from Papa on my 6th birthday.
Okay. So what do you call this gift?
It's funny doll machine or claw machine.
So where did we order it?
Shopee.
Yes. Let's show muna the other part of the box.
I'll
Mm. Okay. You can
There's the side.
yeah. Okay. You can open it now. Let's see what's inside.
You can open it from this side. Wow.
Oh, you open it.
I have to stand up.
Wow, it's big.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, it is. Look, it even has tiny keys to keep it
What is that?
to keep it top on.
There's a key.
Look, you can also open it from here.
Okay. Take a
And
wait.
makes light.
What are those parts? This is for.
This is for moving the claw.
Okay. And what is this one?
It's to let it start.
Okay. And this
This
one?
one is to move it up and down.
Oh.
This goes
Okay.
down.
How do you operate it? How did it run?
We have to plug it.
We're gonna use the USB port.
Yeah.
It comes with USB port like this. Okay. So you plugged it. You could use the cell phone charger.
Yeah.
Okay. You plugged it in.
What was
I
the
think
box is this?
Okay. How you show them where it plugged?
Here it is.
Okay.
It's to let it turn on and off. Hey,
Okay.
it's always all way out. I always
Okay, you
play
place it here so that they can see. How did it work?
I have this point here. Start. When it lights up, it means press it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try this one.
First, you move the claw. Does it come with dolls?
Yes, it does.
How many dolls do you have?
Oh, wait, I got one.
Wow. And where did it go? Oh, on the
Oh,
side.
on this part, you see?
Mhm.
I'll press it again.
Wow. Oh, you get another
I
one.
got another one. I like this. Oh, here it is. It's a kind of peachy one. It's a peachy one. You want to go hungry?
Can you change the sound? Does it have many sounds? How? That's another sound.
You just press this button. I got one.
Oh. Is it easy to operate or hard? Easy lang.
Yeah.
Wow, we get another one.
Not easy to get oh.
What happened?
It stopped.
What else can you put inside that
Candies,
machine?
look
Oh.
at these.
Can you show us how to put candies in there?
We open it here and drop them in.
Okay.
And we also put the dolls like that.
You could put other small dolls.
Let's try this. Oh, I have got something else.
Almost.
Got the white cat. Wonka wonka. Wow. Oh, I'll put it back in. That's not gonna do it.
Wow, you got it.
Oh, I got it. Oh,
Yeah.
it's a white kitty.
Wow,
It's my favorite. I think. And the pink one's my favorite, still inside.
How to turn it off? For example, you're done playing with it. How do you
Just
turn
have
it
to
off?
wait.
I turn off by itself.
Yeah, true. Aw, told you, I didn't did anything.
It just stop by itself.
No, it doesn't tap. You don't turn it off. You don't
Wow,
have to
you
do
were
it.
able to get one.
Oh, that's my favorite. My favorite.
The pink one.
That's my favorite color is pink. I'm gonna be liking that again. It's gonna be hard getting the blue one.
How much did you buy that? We get it for 1,100 at Shopee with 50 pesos shipping fee. And it arrives very fast. Mga 3 days only after we ordered it.
God, I can never get the blue one. Get the blue one and these. Oh, I got it. It's like a pet. Oh, I think this is Daddy's favorite because he likes blue.
Okay, you say bye-bye na. Do you enjoy this game? Okay. How do you rate this toy? How many stars would you give it?
I like it. So, I would give it
5?
5.
Yeah, let's show it again. Yeah, it stopped by itself.
Yeah, it did.
What is at the back? At the side. Can you show us the side? Yan.
Yeah.
That's where the dolls
dolls
fall.
come out.
Yeah. And then this is where you put the dolls.
The dolls and candies.
Mhm. Okay. You say thank you to Papa for the gift.
Thank you, Papa, for getting this gift.
Okay, so what would be your next gift that you want to review?
It's the vending machine.
Oh, can you give us a
One
glimpse of vending machine? Where is it?
right there.
Okay, we will do another video for that. Okay, you say thank you.